So you want to make $5 or $10 or $50 or $100 a day within just 24 hours. Hey there guys, it's Joyce here, and for all of you guys who are new to my channel, I do talk about affiliate marketing, network marketing, and give reviews on products that can be useful to you to make money online. So if any of those videos interest you, please do click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of these videos. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a product called 24 Hours Profits. So what is 24 Hour Profits? It is a platform created by Fergal Downs, who teaches you how you can how you can earn your money within 24 hours. So I bought this course like 3 weeks ago, and I tried it and I tested it if it actually works. So let's check it out. So here it is, guys. As you can see, I bought this course on December 19, 2019, and I bought it. I tested it, and let me show you my results. And here it is. This is my result for 20 days. 20 days, I've reached this amount. For $2 to get a course, to do it like this, it's really amazing. And all of this is from free traffic. Yes, free traffic. And what is the best thing about it is that you have recurring payments. So per subscriber you get $8.23. So let's assume that it is only $8. Right now I have 11 subscribers. So for $8 I'm getting for per subscriber I'm getting $8. So for 11 subscribers I will get $88 per month. Isn't that awesome? Now, I tested it only with free traffic. Now, I already bought the paid traffic and how you can 10x your traffic with Fergal Downs. And Fergal Downs teaches you how you do it. So let's have a look at how I'm promoting it and what is inside 24 Hour Profits. So what I usually send to my leads in free traffic is this opt-in page. Now, this opt-in page was created by me, and I give this page as bonus to anyone who has who enters the 24 hours profit with me. So what you need to do is you just type in your name and email address, and you just get free access, and you will get an email that I send directly to the email address that you've inserted, and you get access to this page. Sorry, the internet is quite low. Yeah, you get access to this page where Fergal introduces himself and gives you information about how he uses free traffic and what the results are. Now, with this program, you don't need to have ads. You don't need to create your own videos. It is a friendly newbie method. So what it means is you don't have to be an expert in affiliate marketing. Okay? So, and you get to learn how to get mass free traffic. So no cold calling means you're not on the phone and you're being rejected. You understand what I mean? And there is a step-by-step guide. So I'll show you inside what the courses are. I'm not going uh, to describe everything in details because it won't be nice for me to give Fergal's course and show you what others are paying for $2 for free. So yeah, and when you click here, yeah, guys, before I forget, yeah, you get it for $2 for 7 days, and after that, you pay $17 a month. Now, in the first 7 days, there are many people, including me, who already made more than $2, more than $17 actually. I made more than $17. So if I'm paying $17 a month, the person under whom I registered myself for 24 hours profits, is getting $8.23, I guess. Yeah, $8.23. Now, for anybody who's going to register under me, they will get the bonus that I said, the opt-in page, and I'll show you other bonuses that you will get. So let me show you what you get after buying the $2. So you'll receive this email. You just have to click and access your purchase. You'll then be directed to a page like this. You'll get access to your purchase by clicking on this one, and here you will get the bonus that I will be sharing with you. The bonus I'll show you in a moment after I show you what is inside 24 hours profits. I'll show you the bonuses and what's inside the 24-hour profits. There is this one. Fergus introduces himself, and there's step one. You get access to a free webinar, which is amazing, and it teaches you how you can get more money with a partner of Fergal. His name is Noel. I recommend you to go through it and see if you want to buy the products that are being promoted over there. And when you click here, you get access what is inside Fergal's training. Now, there are 10 lessons, and you get access over there. And here, I'll just show you that many people are getting money through this program. There are many people, and let's say David MXX, for example. He got over 18,000 hops. Hops means people clicking the links. Now, you might have clicked the link, but if you're using strategy like me, like capturing the information of your leads, you get to send them email, recurring daily emails where you can tempt them to buy from you. Now, it's not just this. I'll just tell you in a brief what Fergus does when you buy upsells, and you're able to promote more and more product to them and make more commissions. So what is really amazing is he teaches you the power of free traffic, and a lot of people are getting value from it and making sales and getting commissions. Now, the next thing is about the bonus that I'm going to give you. The bonus is this funnel. I obtained this funnel from the person under whom I entered the 24-hour profits, and he's cool. He allows us to share his funnel. Why? Because he gets his name, and there are some amazing bonuses inside. For any people who are going to buy 24-hour profits through me, they are going to get let's see what are you going to get. So you're getting this funnel, this free funnel, okay, that has already been made. You can choose to use this one, and he gives you an amazing example, amazing tutorial example, free tutorial example, how you get your ClickFunnels which is amazing. This is a funnel which you can use, so which is amazing, and this is the funnel that you need to have ClickFunnels to use. So you get your trials here, and you click here to import this funnel to your ClickFunnels, and he teaches you how you can link how you need to link your affiliate link in the funnel. Next is, well, you're using an opt-in page, so it's important to send them emails over and over again so that they can buy from you. So not just this product, and you can send emails for other products also. Now, he gives you all these bonuses, and he shows you how to drive free traffic. So let's have a look. And you get access. This is how he teaches you, and he gives you everything for free. So feel free to check this out. Now, guys, every course, every product has their own value ladder. Now, as long as you keep moving up the value ladder, you get value. You're getting value, which is beneficial for you. Now, in case of Fergal's course, I bought coaching from Fergal's, and I received 7 other products that 7 other products. So like I said, I got to promote like 7 other products when I bought coaching with Fergal's. So what Fergal's shows you is how you can make more sales through your email list by promoting his other products, which are really amazing. And what I recommend you guys is to go through his value ladder, that is through his upsells, until you buy his coaching program and follow his coaching and get to know the other products also, and integrate in your email marketing strategies and get more cash. So all begins with only $2. Yes, all begins with only $2. And like I said, when I'm going to give my bonuses, you will get this opt-in page as a bonus. And if we have a look at the stats of the opt-in, the stats of my opt-in page that I created, it's over, let's have a look. It's, yeah. So here it is. Here it is. Page view is 167. Unique is 91. Okay, I just entered my email address, so that doesn't count. I just tested, but it is nearly 100%. Isn't that amazing? So you'll be getting this opt-in as my bonus. So you can use, and you can change my affiliate link and use your affiliate link instead. Cool. So guys, this is the end of my review of 24-hour profits. And as you can see, not just me, but other people are making money with this course that starts with only $2, and you getting recurring sales. Now for this course, the best it can sell is a product of nearly $1,000, and if you're getting 40% commissions, you'll be getting $400. Now there is another platform that I want to talk about, which is called Legendary Marketer. You might have heard of it, and you might not have heard of it, Legendary Marketer is a platform, an education platform that gives you value and teaches you how you can open your own online business. Now, if, like I said, in the value ladder, the highest value here is $1,000. But if you're providing only this one, you can get up to $400. But in Legendary Marketer, the highest value of a product is around $15,000 or $30,000. Now imagine if you're getting 40% of $13,000, you get um $12,000, which is amazing. Now it's up to you to choose what product, what platform you want to start with. If you want to start with 24-hour profits, you'll find my link in the description box below, as well as the bonuses will be accessed after doing the purchase. And if you want to get started with the platform I just talked about, which is Legendary Marketer, you will find it under in the description box below as my #1 recommendation. So let's end this video for now. And guys, if you got value from this video, please do subscribe, do smash the thumbs up button, hit the notification bell, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.